Hi guys, this is Latvian Day Trader. So here we are in the May 14th, and this is the third red day for me. I'm currently down 100 bucks on a day and like 200 bucks overall on a month. So today was a really slow day because the gap scanners and the momentum scanners were practically dead for first 15 minutes. And the best trade for today was no trade. But still, I got into 5 trades. This was what I was looking for in a pre-market scan because it was the biggest gapper. As in the pre-market chart, you see the first pullback, the second pullback, and this already is the third pullback. So this is the weak pattern. Anyways, this was the biggest gapper on a day. The price was good, so I was watching it. So right out at the gates, it just sold off. So I didn't trade this one. I think I did not trade this. So yeah, the first one I did trade was KTOV. So as you can see in a 5-minute chart, it starts to squeeze up. On a 1 minute, we wait for the first pullback. So here was the first pullback, and I wanted to get in, but as you can see, again, my quantity is at 10. I didn't change it. So I wish that we could change default settings for this, but for now it isn't. So I got filled 10 shares, I sold immediately 10 shares, and I adjusted the quantity. So yeah, but as you can see, I wanted to go in at 270, but this is the stock with not a high relative volume, so it does mean that not much retail traders are looking at this right now. So my entry was really some, I don't know, crazy mishappen, because you see the volume, it's selling off, and this was a trade I shouldn't take, but I did. I don't know why, because it's already 12 minutes into the day, and I think I just wanted to trade something. So right here you see the price drops down and I click buy button. So that's really not the way to do it. So yeah, here it's not working out, and I'm not waiting for now in this day and forward to all days. I will not wait till the stock stops me out. I will jump out quicker. So yeah, this is the weak stock. I really should wait until it breaks 270 or 71, shows up on the ask. Yeah, I bought it on a high of the day basically, so it just sold off. So yeah, at 260 I was out. It's a 1 cent before my stop price, but still, it's a good habit to have. So that was the first trade, and the second was, this looked for me like a good reversal pattern, but because on the 5-minute chart it's four red candles, and the potential profit is back to the moving average. That's like 20 cents, 15 cents. I think that's a good pattern, and this was a winner as well. So I think the 260, oh no, 263 is my potential entry, so 5 cents above the ask. If I see 263 on the ask, I will jump in. And in here you can actually see some buyers pouring in. This is active stock. That's a bunch of people are watching it, and the volume is, you can see the volume coming and going in. So any minute now I will buy this, and it doesn't turn out that good, but still it's one of the best patterns what I traded today. So right here you can see the buyers are coming in, the prices are moving. So I press the buy button. I got filled at 64, 1 cent above my fill. So right now you can see there's a 2 million. The volume is 2 million, but it's okay because the buyers are coming in. So this was definitely one of the most active stocks I traded today. It doesn't give instant resolution, but it does do something at least. So right now I think I'm saying to myself that I will not allow this bid to go under the 360. So basically my stop is 4 cents right now. This is the hard stop, the live stop, but my mental stop is 4 cents. So I'm reducing my risks. So today my accuracy was only 25% because I took 5 trades and only one was winner. The other 3 was real small losers. So right here that's 369, and I'm trying to sell into the strength upon the ask. It doesn't fill instantly. So I will cancel and try to here again on the ask. I got filled. And I will not let this go down to a break even. I think I will sell it like 266, 366, yeah, 366 was my fill, I think. So yeah, this is the first. For right now, there's a one red trade, one green trade for today. So next one, I see the SM RT, and again I'm seeing, okay, it's really extended on a 5 minute. As you look for the reversal trades on the downside, as you can see in this green trade what I took. Wait. So we'll find trade here. As you can see, there's four red candles, and I'm going long. So what I did here, there's a 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a 4 green candles, and I really shouldn't go along. I was waiting for the best pattern would be a 5-minute pullback, the big pullback on a 5-minute chart, because on 1 minute there was like first, second, and then the third, and I actually bought it on a third. So yeah, theoretically I know the patterns. I know that I shouldn't buy on an extended 5-minute. I know that I shouldn't buy on a third pullback. but I think it's the human stubbornness. Because when I was trading it, I was thinking, okay, I shouldn't buy, but if it works out, maybe it will work out for me. So until you get that kick to the face and you lose some money, I think you actually learn something. So yeah, for right now, I learned that I really shouldn't do that, as I shouldn't buy on a third halt as I did some few days ago. But I'm looking at this as a good experience for me. So yeah, I was actually trying to buy at 320, but my price is 225. I was thinking why it doesn't fill me up, but it didn't because my price was 1 point lower. So yeah, here buy. Can't place the order. Can't understand why is that. I'll try again. Nothing is happening. So then I realized what's going on. So 322 was my original entry. So I see this price here, and I'm thinking, okay, that's good enough for me. But I really brought it on the wrong side. So again, it's a breakout or bailout. If you don't see instant resolution, if you don't see the volume coming in, you don't press the buy button, as I did now. Yeah, you don't do that. And it's starting to go down. So my stop is 10 cents, but I'm stopping out right now because I'm seeing a lot of sellers. So this window popped on because I was I was in this window when I pressed my bailout button. That's Control Z. So as you can see, it dropped quite a bit, minus 30. So instead of minus 50, what would be my original stop, I got out on a better. So BOXL. This was the trade that a lot of people were trading today, and made a lot of money in this candle, but it's too expensive stuff for me because I can only take like 200 shares without a margin. So for right now, I don't want to risk with big leverages. And with 200 shares, if you don't move 50 cents, and you can't actually earn something. So yeah, I was trying to make best of me, trying to buy on this pullback. I was buying something on this pullback. So let's find where my trade is. Here. So let's see, yeah, I see the 5-minute potential breakout spot. The candle closes, the 314, the volume is pouring in, as you can see, price is changing, and again, nothing. There's like buyers starting to come in, and that's it. Just like stopped. So again, on my scanners, it showed that this stock hasn't got a high relative volume because it's a 30 million float stock. There's a 30 million shares, but there's only 1 million was traded at this moment. So yeah, it's if it was traded 60 million, then it would mean that it's high relative volume. Or I think that's the formula for that, but or maybe about the average volume. So few million, 5 million. Maybe. So this was the slow mover. So yeah, it just stops, and here was the this was the big sign that I really need to get out of here. So I need to take my 1 cent, 2 cent loss, and that's it. So look at this big seller right here. Yeah, I jumped out, and then I jumped back in. I see. Oh yeah, when the seller was gone, again the volume started to pour in. This was really chasing for some kind of trade. But as I said, for today, for me, the best trade was no trade. But yeah, see the big volumes coming in. I'm like, yeah, this should move. This could move back to the highs of the day, like 3/24, like 9 cent profit. But again, it's just like flat top breakout, false breakout. It isn't happening. I was waiting for it, and eventually I just got out. I got bored, and I think as I jumped out, it started to move. It moved like 2 cents up. Yeah. So that's it for today's trade. Not the best start for Monday, but still, there's a few things that I learned today. That basically that's learning by doing some failures, trials by errors. Okay. So that's it for me. Thanks for tuning in, and hit that subscribe button, leave a like if you want to see some more content. Okay, let's see you tomorrow. Bye.